Hi, my name is Charles Beam, and today I'm presenting the app Lightweight Ordering System. The purpose of this app is to be a lightweight ordering system for restaurants in order to minimize COVID-19 transmission between waiters and customers. The target audience of this app is restaurants that want to protect their employees from getting COVID and customers who want to help stop the spread of COVID by not transferring it to their waiters. The tools and programming languages used in order to make this app is just Python 3.8.5, ideally with no external libraries used. Here's an example of the program in action. In order 1, the customer first views the menu and then decides that they want to order a pizza with an amount of 1. They then get asked if they want to order anything else, which they reply yes to, and then they order 3 tacos. After replying that they don't want to order anything else, they get their receipt with their total at the bottom. Then the program moves on to order number 2, where they also get the menu and they decide to order 2 chickens. They then decide to order something else and get shown the menu again to order 4 rice. They then also get shown their total. Then the restaurant chooses to finish an order, and they choose to remove order number 2. And these 2 are the orders from earlier. They then choose to perform another action and to view all orders, only to find that order number 2 has been removed from the list because it was completed by the restaurant. This concludes the app presentation for Lightweight Ordering System. Thank you.